ಮಳೆ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು. ಮಾತು ಶುರುವಾಗ್ಲಿ.
Good morning. That was one of the coldest night. The entire city, and there is even a snow-capped mountain far it seems. We also started taking Diamox yesterday night. Was actually because of that one also was getting cramp. I was taking Diamox because the last time when I went to Leh Ladakh I had AMS and I almost lost like 1.5 days. We will be doing a high pass. We will be going to Gurgaon March, which is a high pass, and again there's a chance of like getting AMS. So we are started taking Diamox. I think you need to take it about 2 or 3 days before. There will be side effects, so there will be like breathlessness and all that. So you and I felt that. And you also have to drink lots of water if you are taking the tablet. So that's probably a mistake, and we didn't actually drink a lot of water. Today is the plan that we will be waiting until the report of the COVID test. So once we get the COVID test report, we will then head towards Sikkim. So Pelling is our first point. So there's a Prasanjit suggested one route which goes via Jamuni. So probably we'll take that. Kelly. Finally we got over the test results. Both came negative. We don't know how much scared we were until since last night. Like though we were in Darjeeling, we didn't go anywhere out. We were like on the bed waiting for the results. Like super happy. We got our report and we will be entering the Sikkim today, which goes via Jamuni bridge. So Prasanjit suggested it's like very steep road and it's a bit like adventurous. So we'll be taking that.
Turn right onto Darjeeling Road.
The brakes are making huge sound. The front brake. Front the brake. ಈಶ್ವರ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗು ಥರ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮುಖ. ಹೌದಾ ಪುನಃ We have come down from Jamuni. It was like super steep climb down, descending, and we are now on the way to, I think we crossed Jamuni. We will be now, I think, towards the border, and then once we cross the border it will be Pelling or casing is where we are staying. Tanai, one of the Prasanjit's cousin brother owns a place there, so I'll be going there. I'll be staying there for a day or two. That's the plan. We found a cat also. I can't imagine how relaxed I am now, because we are in a kind of tremendous pressure, and that's why I didn't post any of the Instagram post stories or anything like that. I mean, we were thinking of all other options. I mean, really, I have to thanks Sujit Kundu, who's the one who actually helped me get the report today, and he understood. I mean, he runs tourist operations for the Sikkim, and from, I think, anybody wanted to know, get in touch with him. He understood. I mean, I didn't even ask. He understood that it will be a waste of day for me if I just stayed in Siliguri just for the report purpose. He said, okay, you are in Siliguri, and that's West Bengal, so you can go to either Kalimpong or Darjeeling, because that was actually in our plan anyway. It was at the end, but instead of actually just waiting there in Siliguri, he gave the option to go to Darjeeling. At least we spent a day. But the thing is that though we were in Darjeeling, we were in kind of like a stressed in state because of the reports. Finally, when it came, superb, I'm full of smile. So we were thinking of what if the report came positive, and what's then? We spent so much money, we came to Sikkim, and then we had to quarantine all day, or we even had to spend, I think, how many more days here until get the test negative, and then you spend all that time. Where you'll stay? You'll either have to quarantine somewhere in a hospital or somewhere in the hotel or somewhere. That would have been a nightmare. Luckily, everything went well. I'm so happy. We're so relieved, so happy. Our trip is going as per the plan now. We didn't, I think only one day we lost, so that is still okay. Now let's have a tea. She finds cat wherever she goes, or cat finds her. Dulu. Water crossing nol kuda inta mara. Where Jortang jana tha? Straight है. We are now at the border. This is the checkpost here. Funny thing is, actually they didn't ask any of the report or anything.
बंगाल में इससे भी थोड़ा महंगा होगा.
बंगाल में 91 था. तो ये चीप है. हम उधर से है ना,
95-96.
हाँ, आंध्रा बेंगलुरु वगैरह 95 ऊपर था. Okay, we've reached the place here in Monal Homestead. It's Prasanjit's cousin's place, and that's a nice homestay. You can see here, nice seating arrangement. So our room is here. All set. Mom is having cold. Severe cold. ಹೇಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದ
ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. I think it's because we were entered, I think the yesterday was like super cold day. We went to Darjeeling. It was also high altitude. Probably because of that. I'm a bit okay. Usually I'm the one who gets all the fever and all. Doesn't have a fever, but it's a cold. I'm like bit worried it may not be turned into fever or anything. And this is the worst time to get fever. Anyway, people will freak out. At least now we have a proof that okay, see, it's not corona. बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है. हाँ बना. अच्छा दिख रहा है. यही है ना आपने वो.
हाँ सकता
Correct.
चिकन ये सिक्किम में डल्ले मिर्ची बोलता है.
हाँ यही है ना, बहुत ये टीका रहता है.
हाँ
Finally home food.